For the marination, take mutton to which add ginger paste, garlic paste and freshly grated onion. To tenderize the meat, add grated raw papaya. Add Kashmiri red chili paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and freshly crushed garam masala. For the traditional Bengali flavors, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and some salt as per your preference. Now mix all this together, massaging all the ingredients over the meat and then marinate for 4 to 6 hours. A good Bengali mutton curry has potatoes, which according to me is the soul of this dish. Fry the Chandramukhi potatoes in refined oil until they are halfway done. Next, in a heated pressure cooker, add mustard oil along with a bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves and a few peppercorns. Add a bit of sugar to give color and balance to the gravy. Now add the marinated mutton to the pressure cooker and braise it in its own juices. Do this until the meat takes a brownish hue and the flavors are locked in. Next, add a large pureed tomato to this and keep cooking, letting the juices from the tomato flavor your gravy. Once the masala is cooked and the oil separates, add fresh chilies and our fried potatoes and mix well into the gravy. Now add hot water with the remaining marinade left over. Bring the gravy to a boil and give it a stir, making sure nothing sticks to the bottom, and then close the lid and attach the vessel. Now let it cook on the low flame comfortably for 30 minutes. You can go watch your favorite show in the meantime. Let me know what show or series you are watching currently in the comments below. Alright, after 30 minutes, switch off the flame and let the steam release for another 10 minutes. Please do not open the pressure cooker immediately after taking off the heat. You can see the mutton is done. Now just add some ghee to this and give it a stir. And we are done.